Is it recording? Yes, it is. Okay. All right, guys. It's very cold. All right, I'm missing my jacket. But Unstoppables, welcome back to my channel. And I'm your sassy vlogger Ghazal. As you all know me, I'm super excited, and this time I'm ready to take you on a ride with me to Barcelona city. And what is making this trip even more exciting is that I am with my very good friend, and here he is.
Hello everyone, my name is Ayan, I'm from Patna.
पटना की घटना है ये हमारे यहाँ की, समझ रहे हैं? बिल्कुल हमारा यूपी बिहार माफिया हो जाता है कभी कभी. So we are very excited. So we're gonna go together to the city center.
Yes.
And probably we're gonna have sangria and all the local
Lots of planning,
delicacies.
yes.
And also shopping.
Shopping is the must.
Yes.
Sales going on, Christmas vibes.
I know, and I think we have a Christmas market as well.
We do have it.
We will try to cover as much as we can because we are a bit tired as well. But let's see you on the streets.
See you guys, bye.
So guys, as we started moving towards the city, we started to discover several things which we have never seen before, which is graffiti prints on the walls. And it has taken a lot of efforts. It's all over the place. Some print is on his face as well. And yes, here you go, and we are still continuing to go towards the city. And if we find anything interesting, we shall let you know. So we are not picky or choosy, but then still we do not find any restaurant which is appropriate to our taste, what we are looking for. So we went to the local shop and we tried to speak to the local shopkeepers if they can guide us to any nice restaurant. So apparently Ayan has taken a courage to get the address in his phone, and let's see if we can still make it.
Exactly.
And yeah, it's getting windy and chilly, so let's see how it's gonna take us so far. But just to let you all know guys about Barcelona, it's one of the very oldest city of Europe, and even older than Rome, to be honest. However, we always say that Rome is the oldest one, but this is even older than Rome, okay? And yes, Barcelona is not a capital of Spain, but it is a cosmopolitan capital.
That's right.
बोले तो जैसे हमारा दिल्ली है capital, but then you know that the financial capital
Is Mumbai.
is
That's
Mumbai,
right.
something like that. And yeah, this is located in a Catalonia region of Spain. And I stopped because we're crossing the road. Sorry. So yeah, still the walk continues, a walk to remember.
Yeah, a walk to remember. It's gonna be a
hunger
15,
to
20 minutes walk closely.
And a hunger to die.
That's
a
right.
walk to remember and a hunger to die. Alright guys, as soon as we arrive to the restaurant, we'll definitely... Guys, finally, इस लड़के ने इतना घुमाया है और इसको इसका मनपसंद रेस्टोरेंट.
See the end result. See
Yeah.
this place.
It's beautiful. So we're gonna go up and dine in this restaurant from the staircase.
Yep.
So can we please go now finally and eat something? Actually, I think I'm pretty convinced with Ayan. This restaurant is going to be beautiful because it's so fancy, man. And where the hell is the entrance? I don't even know.
Somewhere here.
Because we're craving for some Spanish food. So, okay, we can't find the end. Okay, we found it. So yeah, I think our brain is not working. All the nerves have been connected differently because we can't think anymore. So here we go.
From there,
Guys, it's like our dream has come true. Now finally we have sangria, and Ayan is going to do the needful.
your taste.
Certainly, please go ahead. Twist, swirl, smell. Very nice.
Go.
तो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि साला यूपी आए और ढोल नहीं बजा तो क्या खाक यूपी आए, जैसे बार्सिलोना या स्पेन आए और सांग्रिया नहीं पिया तो क्या खाक बार्सिलोना आए. तो here we go with sangria. Shit, it's so windy. Alright guys, so this is paella, which is vegetable paella with sangria and some avocado, salmon, cheese bread salad. And yes, we can't wait to hog on to this. Yay! Finally! a very, very famous and a popular street of Barcelona. Ayan has gone. Ayan has gone crazy. Ayan, which song were you singing before?
Oh, मेरे
सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू आई रुत मस्तानी
कब आएगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया. And it's too
Finally.
windy.
And you know what? I did not carry my jacket thinking it's not gonna get that cold. And this guy also did not wear the warmer inside. So we are literally freezing. But bro, shopping to shopping hai.
See the wind? Too windy.
It's very cold. Alright, I'm missing my jacket. But we are proceeding towards Zara now. And let's see what Zara has been waiting for us. And let's go. Uniqlo. Right. Guys, the moment we all have been waiting for. Zara is here. Yay! We made it, Ayan. Alright guys, so finally we are done with shopping and he's holding the shopping bag. Alright, and now we are dead tired and we are very tired. So we are planning to return back to the hotel. Maybe we'll grab some hot chocolate or some liquor on the way. But we are not yet sure because we have to work tomorrow as well. So see you in the next vlog. Do not forget to, you know what I'm expecting from you. Like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in the next vlog.
See you guys. Bye.